coordinator, guardians and all my dear friends. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Myself Anushka from class 9th and today I am present here to say a speech on the topic of Vikshit Bharat. Today the goal of our country is Vikshit Bharat. India is a country which is known for its civilization, culture and its inventions. Vikshit Bharat today is a golden dream of every Indian citizen which seems to be getting fulfilled. Vikshit Bharat means such an India where poverty, illiteracy would be completely eradicated. Children and women should live in a society which would be free from oppressions and they should never feel isolated. And people should be proud of it. India has the potential to become a great nation. If this, then first of all, every citizen will have to fulfill their personal responsibilities. If India has to be fully developed by 2047, then the development of rural areas is necessary. Because the foundation of India lies in the villages. On 11 December 2023, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Vikshit Bharat 2047 plan, where he announced the formal 4 pillars that are youth, women, poor and farmers. India's objective is economic development and sustainable development for better living conditions to ease framework and social welfare. Under this mission, India's sub-scheme was launched to encourage the youth to actively participate in the government schemes and activities to demonstrate their dedication for creating an environment which would conduct the economic growth and development. Many encouraging schemes like Made in India, Startup India and Digital India are made for encouraging more and more people to take part in the government schemes and for the development of India. India in 2047 should be such like that it should appear shining like a Kohinoor and host its flag in the world. Vikshit Bharat mission will prove to be a milestone for the development of India. This milestone will be development for India and it will prove to be a development for India and will be developed by 2047 India will complete its 100 year of independence. This milestone will not be our dream, but it will be reality. Women are the key partner of Vikshit Bharat Sankalp Yatra. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.